Give me your hand, and I will give you forever.
Hindi kita talaga bibitawan, promise. I love you.
Sabay kami graduate ng high school, sabay kami graduate ng college, sabay kami nagka-work. Go with the flow lang kami. Kaya nakaabot kami sa 14 years.
Years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. I still remember the day that I had first crush on you.
First time kaming naging magka-section that time, ako yung unang nagka-crush sa kanya. Nung year na yun, sikat pa yung May Patilya ba? Parang na-inlove ako nun sa mahaba yung gano'n niya. Hairstyle niya, parang mga anime hairstyle ba? Na-inlove ako sa gano'n.
Time yung Patilya kasi na yan, sikat yung emo days that time, nung 3rd year. Doon talaga siya na-inlove sa akin, to be honest.
Nothing left to fear. Take my hand and see all that we could be. The best of me has always been you. I just wanna hear you say the words I do. We'll write the story you see in the movies. We'll have a strong love the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me.
How lucky I am to call you mine. Your love and trust makes me a better person. You were there for my greatest challenges. You encouraged me to grow. You helped me believe in myself and become the person that I am today. In your arms and by your side, I know I can do anything. I'm proud to call you my wife.
Every piece of me, love I'll never leave. We were meant
Naging patient siya. Alam ko na worth it siya kasi naghiwalay kami nung time, like 3 years naghiwalay kami pero hindi siya naghanap ng iba, nag-antay siya. Parang as of now, hindi pa siya nagsisink in pero parang ang saya-saya ng pakiramdam ko.
Actually, muntik ako napaiyak kahapon sa embassy, pinipigilan ko lang. Sobrang saya ng feeling ko.
I vow to help you love life, to always hold you, to have the patience that love demands, to speak when words are needed, and to share the silence when they are not, and to live within the warmth of your heart and always call it home. I vow to firstly love you in all your forms, now and forever. I promise to never forget that this is once in a lifetime love, and to always know in the deepest part of my soul that no matter what challenges might carry us apart, we will always find our way back to each other. I love you forever.
we'll have a strong love the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love you see. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need.
Baby, alam ko,
You're all I'll ever need.
ang tagal nating inantay to, finally, ito na yung inaantay natin after 14 years. Sa dami ng sakripisyo na ginawa natin, ginawa mo. Ito na, andito na tayo, na tayong dalawa naman ang talagang magkasama. At saka, sana magkaroon tayo ng malaking pamilya in the future. At sana hindi mo ako iiwan.
ito na, nag-start na tayo ng as husband and wife. Sana hindi ka magbago. Sana samahan mo ako sa paglalakbay sa hinaharap. Sana tulungan mo ako at hindi ka pa rin magbago pa rin sa pagtulong sa akin. Yun nga, para makamit natin yung ating pangarap. Yun lang, mahal na mahal kita. Yun lang. At sana hindi ka magbago talaga.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one,
Create memories together, go through thick and thin together, build your marriage together, build your family together. May God grant you wisdom and blessing and happiness.
looks like we made it. Look